To start exercise 14.3 we have, and in this exercise we will find the median of the given data. So we have given data in unit 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145 respectively, and the frequency is given 4, then 5, then 13, then 20, 14, 8 and 4. So in the previous lecture we have talked about the median L plus n by 2 minus Cf 1f into h. So we will go to make the cumulative frequency, that is Cf is called the cumulative frequency, that you have made in the 9th class also. We will write the first number 4 is here, we will add the 5 into this 4, this is a 9. If we add the 9 and 13, our result is 22, then it is a 42. 42 में अगर आप 14 जोड़ेंगे, after addition your answer is 56. 56 plus 8 if you add 64, and 64 plus 8 4 you will add, it will get the 68. So the sum of this frequency will also have the 68. Clear? So once again 4, then 5 9, 9 and 5 13 and 9, this is 22, 22 and 20 42, 56, 64, and this is our 68. So see that n is equal to 68, which is even. So we will go for here, find out the n by 2. This is n by 2, 68 upon 2 will have 34. So see that this n 34 we will find out in which frequency belongs. So look at, this is 4, this is 9, 22 nahi hoga. Inside the 42 we belongs the 34. Clear? So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this is your frequency, right? And 1 2 3 4, this is your class, median class. So median class is 125 to 145. Clear? So what is our n by 2? This is 34. What is our CF? CF, come just proceeding, this is the CF. So we have here F is 20, CF is 22, L is the lower limit, this is a 125. Okay, and see that the H interval, what is the interval between them, is a 20. So we'll put all the value in this formula of median. M is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF. So we'll go for median. L is 125, n upon 2, this is our 34, minus CF. CF what we have here written is, CF is written 22, this is 22 upon 20. And what is the H? H is also 20. So this 20 is cancelled. M is equal to 125. There is 2 and 1 12. If I add this, I will get M is equal to 137. So our median is 137. So in this you have to verify mod also and mean also. So you can calculate the mod by using our values. Okay. Either we have done in the previous, so you can find out here median.